Hey guys, so today we are going to be trying out coconut milk in a can. Now my hair is absolutely a mess right now. It actually has a huge knot right here. So it'd be a great test to see if coconut milk in a can can help solve that, because back home in the Philippines, and I've always been an advocate in using like the freshly pressed organic coconut milk from the grated coconut meat. And I've always said that the coconut milk in the can is not really that pure, just because I know that this has already preservatives, because the for real coconut milk usually goes bad in one day if you don't put it in the freezer. But however, today I am going to give the coconut milk in a can a shot to see if it actually works the same to the freshly pressed coconut milk that we make back home. This one, I got this just in the grocery, so I'm gonna reserve the Thai one for cooking, and we're gonna be using the coconut milk from Sri Lanka, so because I'm pretty sure that they're absolutely the same. Let's open the can. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay. You guys, this is what it looks like. It's already all curdled up. Oh, would you look at that? It actually is, it's already creamy and all. I'm pretty sure that the natural water from the coconut milk has already been strained out, and this is just purely the curd. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this all over my hair. Also, I forgot, I'm gonna put a towel on me because I don't want the coconut milk to stain my shirt. This whole can literally fits my whole hair. I just really like the scent of coconut. This actually reminds me of home. And also I'm gonna put that underneath here. Alright, now that everything is completely on my hair, I actually used the whole can. So now I am just going to wrap my hair with a towel to kind of like a bit warm it up. I'm gonna leave this on my hair for about 15 minutes max, and then I'm gonna wash it off. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna be doing double cleanse on my hair. So I will be using the Maurice de la Maurice, and I would follow up with this Pash Me Silk Vitality Vitamin Shampoo. Alright you guys, so this is the end result of it. I actually do really like it. I think that it really did a great job in conditioning my hair. However, the dilemma of this though is that it was so hard to get rid of my hair. I had to shampoo my hair 4 times to get rid of the greasiness, but as soon as the grease went off, this is what it looks like. I think it did a good job, but if I could just be honest, I would still prefer the coconut milk, the freshly pressed coconut milk, because for some reason it has a different feel on the hair. Like after you put that, it actually feels like your hair is coated with something, while with this one, my hair just feels soft and conditioned though, which is still very much a good thing, and it's actually a great substitute. I can't use that on my hair because I'm in the Netherlands right now. I think that the coconut milk in the can is actually a good treatment for the hair. I've never tried using the coconut milk in the can. We have them back in the Philippines as well, but however, I just didn't really gravitate to it just because I've said of the preservatives that's put in there. But overall, it still did a really good job on my hair. And one thing I can say though is that this type of coconut milk you can actually in a way use as a whip. You can actually whip it. I did a whole DIY of making your own coconut whipped cream for the skin and hair, and you can definitely use this can for that because they've already extracted some of the water and just left the majority of the coconut water, and it's just the layer of fat or the curd that is in there, so it is easy to whip. Or you can just add in more oils or any other ingredients to make a whipped cream hair mask. So that is that. I hope you guys like this video, and also let me know in the comments down below, are you guys using the naturally pressed organic coconut milk, or are you all using the coconut milk in the can as well? And also let me know your thoughts down below about it. And once again, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!